Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Lifepod X. Do you imagine having a lockable micro-storage that can attach to any faucet? Well then, meet Lifepod X. This is an all-weather lockable micro-storage that can hold your phone, wallet, ID, and more. It's perfect for situations where you need to keep your belongings safe and secure. The Lifepod X is designed to withstand any elements as it is water-resistant, dust-proof, and airtight. It has a touch-sensitive Smart Sense keypad that allows you to lock and unlock it with ease. The Lifepod X is also equipped with a backup power feature that allows access if the battery dies. It comes with a removable tray storage that allows for multiple custom setups and interior straps that secure loose items. This pod is lightweight and rugged, making it the ultimate travel lockbox. Go Chess! How about experiencing the magic of self-moving chess pieces that is made possible by invention? Introducing Go Chess. This is a smart chessboard that uses self-moving pieces, a smart interactive game board, and online connectivity to enhance the chess playing experience. It has onboard colorful light indications for coaching, training, tips, and moves. Go Chess uses sensors to detect and record moves made on its physical board, while players can make play using their computer keyboards or on-screen chessboards. It is also integrated with most popular chess platforms. The Go Chess dedicated app seamlessly syncs with your real-life board, merging the online and offline gameplay experiences. You can connect popular chess platforms, solve challenging puzzles, revisit historical games, or stream real-time matches on your board. YOOATOM Origin800. Power is very much needed in our everyday life, but imagine having unlimited power for all your devices or having a modular power station that can be shared and expanded. That system is YOOATOM Origin800. This is the world's first smart modular power station. YOOATOM is a revolutionary device that consists of three parts: the power hub, the power stack, and the power dock. The power hub is the main unit that provides 800-watt AC output with 13 output ports. The power stack is the swappable battery that can be used individually as a power bank. And lastly, the power dock is the charging station that can also wirelessly charge your phone. SKG eye massager. Maybe you suffer from eye strain, dry eyes, or dark circles, or you want to relax your eyes and improve your sleep quality. If yes, then you need SKG E7 2-in-1 Vibration Heated Eye Massager, the smart device that combines vibration, heat, and music to massage your eyes. The SKG Eye Massager is an invention that uses 12 independent micro-vibration massage motors to massage around your eyes deep into the oculi and roll muscles. It also uses 104 constant temperature hot compress to quickly relieve eye fatigue and improve blood circulation. It has 12 custom massage heads that adapt to your temple and forehead, as this self-care shouldn't be limited to only home use. The SKG E7 is lightweight and portable, making it your on-the-go self-care companion whether you're traveling, working, or simply winding down at home. Your rejuvenating break is always with you. Tracking Live Stabilizer. Maybe you want to make amazing videos with your smartphone, or you want to have a device that can follow your every move and keep you in focus, with the possibility of gesture control, detachable clip, and mini fill light. Thanks to Tracking Live Stabilizer, all that is now possible. This gadget is the world-first smart foldable stabilizer. The tracker is a revolutionary device that has a detachable clip that can hold any smartphone and a mini fill light that can enhance the brightness and color. This allows you to capture breathtaking footage effortlessly, as it ensures that no matter how much you move, your face will stay in focus while keeping the lens stable and no shaking for a wonderful video. Mastique Lightup Chess. We all love chess, but how about we can play it in a new and exciting way, with a functionally and aesthetically pleasing lights that lit up wirelessly using electromagnetic induction? If yes, then you need Mastique Lightup Chess, the world's first light-up set. This is a device that consists of a high-tech acrylic board and 32 chess pieces with double LED lights. The board has a built-in battery that lasts up to 9 hours and is compatible with any chess game that supports mouse input. You can connect it to your computer or phone via Bluetooth and access various content and settings, such as on-demand classes, challenges, metrics, modes, and colors. Xturbo. I guess you spend a lot of time on your keyboard and it's quite uncomfortable. That is why I welcome you to the world of comfort and productivity. In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, your work setup matters more than ever. Introducing the Xturbo Keyboard Wrist Rest, this gadget is the ultimate solution for your typing experience. The Xturbo Keyboard Wrist Rest is designed with one goal in mind: to enhance your typing experience and reduce the strain on your wrist. With its ergonomically designed shape and high-density memory foam padding, it's the perfect companion for your keyboard, as you can feel the difference immediately. The Xturbo's plush wrist support ensures your wrists are in the right position, reducing the risk of repetitive strain injuries and carpal tunnel syndrome. Metaura Pro. In a world that never stops, finding comfort is essential. But what will you do to escape the heat and stress when you are out in a hot weather and you start feeling sweaty? How about you had a personal air conditioner that you can wear around your neck? A device that can cool you down by 18 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. Well, look no further, because Metaura Pro is the go-to gadget for that. This device is the world's first wearable AC invention that uses 121 pairs of semiconductor particles to create a temperature difference. It has 3 cooling plates that cover your neck and absorb heat. It also has a twin turbocharged PWM motor that produces a strong and steady airflow to enable you stay cool wherever life takes you. The Metaura Pro Neck AC is lightweight and portable, perfect for travel and outdoor activities, or simply for lounging at home. Smart Neck Massager. In the hustle and bustle of life, self-care is essential for a relief from neck pain and stiffness. To enable you relax your muscles and relieve your stress, you may be looking for a device that can massage your neck with heat and vibration. This is possible by the invention of SKG Smart Neck Massager. This smart foldable neck massager is not just a device, it's an experience that redefines relaxation, as the ergonomic design adapts to your neck, providing a comfortable fit so you can unwind without distractions. The SKG Smart Neck Massager is a portable and cordless massager that uses pulse electric frequency and simulates hand massages to relieve neck pain and discomfort. It has 9 vibrating massage nodes, infrared radiation, and a hot compress that can be adjusted to a suitable temperature according to personal preference. Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet. If you have a bike, riding it can be very dangerous, making you look for a way to ride safely and stylishly. Or maybe you want to have a device that can detect crashes and send alerts. If that is you, then welcome to the future of safety and style, as I introduce you to this game changer in industrial gear called Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet. Safety gear has come a long way, but it's never been as smart as this. The Unit 1 redefines what it means to be protected on the job. It is more than just headgear, but your safety companion. Equipped with a heads-up display, it keeps essential information in your line of sight. so you can stay focused on the task at hand. With this helmet, dangerous situations become less risky, with real-time hazard detection that warns you when trouble is ahead. Geeky Multi-Tool. Do you love gadgets? Do you want to have a handy tool that can do almost anything? If so, then you are in luck because Geeky Multi-Tool is the answer. This is the world's first key-shaped multi-tool with 16+ functions. It is a revolutionary device that looks like a regular key but has incredible features. It is made of stainless steel and can perform various tasks, such as opening bottles, cutting boxes, stripping wires, measuring angles, and more. Geeky Multi-Tool is compatible with any keychain and fits in your pocket or purse, as you can use it anytime, anywhere, and for anything. GrabShell. The next evolution of typing is here already, as you can now type with a keyboard that can be used standing up or sitting down from anywhere. Presenting the GrabShell keyboard, a true game changer in the world of technology and innovation. The GrabShell is an experience that redefines the way we interact with technology. This keyboard is a revolutionary device that has two wings that can slide out and fold into different shapes. You can use it as a regular keyboard, a split keyboard, or a game controller. You can also adjust the position and angle of the wings to suit your needs and preferences.